loves, what's up? I hope you this video. So Festive is still going on, so I got class to Festive plan. Realistically, like what I do, I am going to do in Pujo or in Festive. So if you're interested, let's look at the video and before. You know what to do. Subscribe my channel and hit the ring bell, and don't forget to share my videos with your friends and family. It will be wonderful welcome. So if you're interested, see this easy peasy little squeezy glam. Let's go. Okay, for my easy peasy lemon squeezy makeup, first step is moisturizer. I'm moisturizing my face with simple moisturizer. Now I'm using a primer and I'm using W7 primer. Now I'm going to wait for 2 minutes and after that I'm going to use foundation. And for foundation I'm using Maybelline 24-hour matte foundation. And I'm going to blend my foundation with brush. I'm also concealing my under eye while I'm in my dark circle with the same foundation. Also priming my eyelid for foundation for eyeshadow with foundation. I'm going to quickly do my eyebrows. If you want to know how I do my eyebrows, I have already done a tutorial, please go check that. I'm going to put the link in the description bar, so it will be easy for you to find it. For contouring, I'm taking this two color from Technic palette and contouring my face. Actually not contouring, I'm slightly bronzing my face. Also with the same color, I'm doing my eyeshadow, my eye makeup. Now I'm taking this eyeshadow for my blush and also for my eye makeup. Now I'm taking a black gel liner and drawing a really teeny mini eyeliner and also going to smash it. And I'm also putting my eyeliner on my underline. Sorry, my waterline. For my mascara, I'm using Technic mascara for as usual. Now it's time for highlighter and I'm taking these two color for my highlighter. I usually don't do highlighter, but because I'm showing it to you, so I'm doing it for you. It's a little bit too much, but when only light up your houses, when you can also light up your face. For my lips, I'm taking a red lipstick from Imagic. I think my voice is a little bit cracky. I don't know. That's it, my makeup is done. Now I'm going to do some poses and coming back soon. So here is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you do, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the ring bell so you can get notified every time I post. And also, I know this Festive is really dull and a little bit gloomy, but not boring. Seriously, your time with your family and friends. And don't forget to carry your mask when you go outside so you can be safe. Also, don't forget to share my videos with your friends and family and tada!